Good morning, friends. Standard 12, English medium, subject English. A Thing of Beauty. A Thing of Beauty is a poem written by John Keats. A Thing of Beauty is based on Greek mythology about a shepherd named Endymion, his quest for his love, Dinah, and how in his quest he falls in love with earthly maiden who later turns out to be a Dinah herself. A Thing of Beauty is a poem taken from the poem titled Endymion, a poetic romance written by the famous poet John Keats. The poet says that a beautiful thing is a source of endless joy. It was eternal beauty which never fades away. A beautiful thing is like a shady shelter which gives us a sleep full of sweet dream, good health, and relaxation. Our attachment to the earthly things are like a flowery wreath. They are traps which bind us to the materialistic things and keep us away from eternal happiness. The earth is full of hatred, greed, and negativity. According to the poet, the gloom and the sadness caused by his negative fade away with the positive vibe of the beautiful thing that surround us. The poet lists out some of the beautiful things that surround us. As the saying goes, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. He says that the numerous creation of God, like the sun which gives us energy, the moon's beauty, the trees give us shade, and the nature beauties around us. The various animals like the sheep that surround us make our world lively. The pretty flower like daffodils make the world green and lively. The flowing stream of the water cool and refresh us in the hot summer season. The forests, which are full of pretty musk, rose flowers, are the beautiful sign to the eyes. All these are the things of beauty. Also, the story of the brave soldier who laid their life to protect their people are beautiful and inspiring. These beautiful things are like a fountain of immortality bestowed upon us by God. They inspire us to live on and maintain our faith in Godness.